Dear children, today we are going to read a new chapter. Dear children, today which topic is every drops count. In this chapter we will read about the importance of water. Target learning outcome of this chapter. Target learning outcome of this chapter is first to observe and identify the different source of water. Next one, identify the difference between step well and lake. And last one is to know the importance of water conservation and how and why rainwater is harvested. Key points of the lesson means what are the points to be read in this chapter is water storage techniques in earlier time. Second one, sources of water in olden or modern days. Third is importance of water. Fourth is conservation of water. Fifth point is rainwater harvesting and its importance. Next point is difference between lake and step well. 7th point is customs related water, and 8th and last one is slogans and posters on saving water. Godsizzar Lake. It is a short story about the lake which is known as Godsizzar Lake. The name of Godsizzar Lake is adopted from the from a king of Jaisalmer. Read this story. This is a picture of Godsizzar. Sar means a lake. King Godsi of Jaisalmer got it made 650 years ago with the help of the people. All around the lake there are ghats with steps leading to the water, decorated verandas, large halls, rooms and much more. People came here to celebrate festivals and for program of music and dance. Children came to study in the school on the ghat. The talab belongs to everyone and everyone took care to clean it up. Godsizzar means a traveler's talk through the eyes of Al-Biruni. Al-Biruni was a traveler of Uzbekistan. He came to India before 1,000 years ago. Al-Biruni carefully observed and noted down the details of all that he saw. He wrote especially about those things that he found very different from his own country. He observed that here is a part of what he wrote about the ponds of that time. He wrote that the people here are very skilled at making ponds. My countrymen would be surprised to see them. They pile up huge rocks and join them with iron rods to build chabutaras, raised platforms. Chabutara means raised platforms all around the lake. Between these there are rows of long staircase going up and down. The steps for going up and coming down are separate, so there is less crowding. Al-Biruni was talking about the step well. Today when we study history, we can learn a lot about those days from the writing of Al-Biruni, and this stamp came out in 1973, 1000 year after his birth. Water storage technique in earlier time. People store water in earlier time in wells, in their household pots, in step well, and in lake or pond. People store the rainwater in these uh, water storage techniques. Source of water. You know what is the main source of water? Main source of water is rain. Rain is the main source of water. Other sources of water. Other sources of water is jal boat tankers, well, and in societies there are source of water which came which give water time to time, and after that many houses has their own tap. In villages people use hand pump to draw the water, and in cities many people make many people have pump in jal board pipeline, and they draw the water from there, and some people use motor to draw the water from bore well, and some village people draw the water from the village river or lake. Modern source of water. Uh, we observed the uh, earlier source of water, but in modern time there are tube well. Tube well is used to irrigation. Jal board tap. Uh, all the cities have jal board, and jal board work for the supply of water, and this is also a government hand pump. It can be found in many villages. Importance of water. Water is very much important for our life, because we cannot live without water. We use water for drinking, cooking, bathing, washing, etc. We should drink at least 3 liters of water every day to live healthy. Water also balances the temperature of our body. Although 75% of earth is water, but only 20% of total water on earth is drinkable. If we wasted the drinkable water of this rate, it will be finished in few years, and our next generation will be face much difficulties without water. It means we cannot waste water, because our next generation will face the scarcity of the water. Water wastage example. Look in picture. In first picture, uh, man is using a pipe. He looking another side, and water is wasted. In second picture, tap is open and the girl is laughing only. she is not brushing properly and open the tap. And in third picture there is there is a man who is bathing, but at that time he is also talking on the mobile. Water conservation. Saving water for later use is called water conservation. It means conservation of water means saving or storing the water for later use. Water is very much precious, so we should conserve water by rainwater harvesting, store water in big pit or well or pond. See the see this painting. Water is life. So rainwater harvesting. What is rainwater harvesting? The rain, it is the best method to conserve rainwater. The rainwater running off roof is collected in a filter chamber, which is then transferred to sumps using PVC pipes. The water is then moved to open well or recharge well. You can watch in this picture. On the when there is rainwater is come to the filter chamber with the help of pipe, and after that filter chamber, it come in sump. Sump is a big pit lower below the ground, located below the ground, and after that it goes through the PVC pipe in open well, and open well recharge the underground water. Importance of rainwater harvesting. Why rainwater harvesting is important? Because rainwater harvesting is the method to store the rainwater for future use. It also recharges the underground water table. So, it is important. Importance of difference between step well and lake. Was the picture? This is the picture of lake and this is step well. Lake is natural reservoir, but step well is man-made or artificial. Second point is lake generally found in hilly area, but step well can be found in desert area. Third point is lake stores the water from mountain, but in step well it generally store rainwater. Our India is the festival, the country of festival. India is also known for its festivals, so it is also called country of festival. In India, there are many festivals related to water, like Karwa Chauth, Kumbh Snan, Nag Panchami. Some slogans and poster on saving water. First slogan and poster is save water, save nature. Second poster is water leaks are a drain on our world. so it should be closed. Look on this picture, water is life. Look on this picture, every drop of water matters as every drop has life. Save water, life depend on water, but the reservoir depend on you. It is the very nice slogan. After the slogan, we should know this is the picture of Darki Mai. She live in a village in the Alwar district of Rajasthan. The women of the village used to spend the entire day looking after their homes and animals. Sometimes it took them all night to pull water from the well for the animals. In the summer, when the wells dried up, they had to leave the village. Darki Mai heard about this group and asked for help. Together, the people from the group and the village decided to make a lake. The problem of food and water for animals is now less. People get more milk. They have started earning more. This is the picture of Darki Mai. Darki. Think over it. You can think in 1986 there was no rain in Jodhpur. Jodhpur also situated in Rajasthan and the surroundings area. People remembered the old and forgotten step well. Now in Rajasthan also no one used the step well to fill the water. They cleaned at that time in 1986 they cleaned the step well and more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out of it. From that step well, more than 200 trucks of garbage was taken out. People of the area collected money. The thirsty town got water from the step well at that time. But after a few years, it rained well and again the step well was forgotten. I